Hello everyone, my name is Priyanshu. I'm from the team hackstormers, and this is my teammate Sandar Bajpai, and we have made our problem statement. Our problem statement was 1930 Helpline Improvement. So, Sandar Bajpai,
Hello, my name is Sundar Bajpai, and I have helped my team in the 1930 helpline number improvement project. So, firstly, would you please display the project on the screen, Priyanshu?
yes, sure. So let's directly move on to the project screen. Is it visible?
Yes, yes.
So this is the project that we have made. This is a cybercrime helpline portal where we have showed the basic information so that the person who is visiting our website can be informed about the latest news, whatever uh, information is available related to cybercrime, whatever information related new laws and anything, it can be updated directly on the portal. Here the interface is provided. It can provide the call details so that they can call to the directly in the cyber authorities. Apart from that, they can know the nearest police station. So let's start. So basically, our application is going to automate the process of FIR generating through use of voice-enabled AI automatic system. We are going to demonstrate the same. Let's move to add a case. This is just for the demonstration purpose. This will be automatically done via call recordings, which will be provided by the cyber authority teams, or we can integrate our plugins on directly on the calls where we can directly get the call recordings. Consider the example of we have received a call recording or our API has received the call recording from the communication between the cyber authority and the complainant. I have a sample audio. I have uploaded it. This will be automatically done when we were actually implementing our idea. And I have submitted. In the backend, let me explain what will be done. In the backend, the audio will be converted into the transcription will be provided of this audio, and then it will be converted back to the English language so that it can be processed further. Currently, our model supports 9 Indian languages, which includes Hindi, English, Bengali, Marathi, and other languages. In the backend, this audio got transcribed into the local language, then into the English, and from that, our AI model captures the main information which are required for the filling of FIR on the behalf of user. Our API, like our model, has captured the following information, which is now visible and which is now visible on your screen. We can move to the backend also. Here you can see this is right now it is working on 90% efficiency. So the output file will be looking like this, where from the call these informations will be extracted out and will be seen in a JSON format, which is very useful for further processing of the application. And these details are directly provided to the cyber authority or the police department, whoever needs, so that action can be performed on the user behalf as soon as possible, so that the fraudster does not get away. So this information is captured, and let's move to the front end. So this is information has been captured and saved in the backend, right? After this, just for the demonstration purpose, I am further saying that we will click on a register a complaint. There might be issue due to, let me check what is the issue. Okay, it might be there's a name conflict. Let me correct it. So actually the error is that front end is unable to read the backend file. I have corrected the name. Let's back move to our website, refresh it, and then now register. Now this is demonstration here. Once I click this button, it will automatically fetch the information from the backend and fill the FIR on the user behalf.
Details.
Once we have clicked in, now the case has been successfully registered in the backend, and the email has been sent to the complainant as well as the police authority as well as the stakeholders such as the application providers as well as the telecom authority that the such things have been happened with the complainant, so that they can also provide their input. So this detail has been filled, and you can see details are already a successful message display to verify that the case has been registered. I can show you the email also. Can you confirm me, Sandar, whether you have received email on your
Yeah, sure. 1 minute.
till then, let's move to further. There is an option for API
Yes.
integration.
Should I
Yeah,
forward you the mail on the WhatsApp?
no, that's enough. So my teammate has received mail that his case has been
Yeah.
registered, and your screen is not
1 minute.
visible actually, but no problem. Let's move
One.
further. So my teammates and like has received the mail which confirms that the case has been registered, and a unique acknowledgement number is generated every time once a case is registered, and this unique number is used to track as well as get updated and provide input on the case. Apart from that, we have introduced the API integration system where we have used the HDFC Bank API to get the user information on time. Earlier, it used to happen that the communication between the authorities and the stakeholders involved in this, in a fraud or any kind of FIR, it happens usually on mails, which do take some time. So, to reduce time, we have used the API where police authority can directly fetch the customer detail, whatever the information right now, on the basis of the PAN number and mobile number. We have fetched the response from the API of the HDFC Bank, where they have provided us the information about the customer ID, account number, when it was opened, nominee name, and what is the amount right now available. So things can be automated via API call, and so that directly cyber authority can perform actions and minimize the time which got like which got wasted. We can say which got wasted in the mail, yes, the mail system. Further, right now the whatever the case is registered is sent from the central to the local police authorities. Now we have to reduce this that time. We have introduced the system that we are directly forwarding the, we can say directly forwarding this case FIR copy to the local police station as well. We have the directory of the local police station from where we are fetching the email address and directly putting a complaint to the local police station, because at the end they are the ones who have to perform the actions on the user behalf, on the account of, on the behalf of police. So after this, so Sandar, anything you would like to add?
So in the end, I would basically like to summarize what my friend stated. So we have just automated all the processes which took time. Like the process of sending that complaint from the cybercrime central department to the local police station took almost 15 days. So we have just automated that process, and it now takes only 2 to 3 minutes. So this
Yeah,
is what is the USP of our main project.
here we can track our case, like what is the status of this and what is that like how much it has been progressed so far. Apart from that, there is a button to export to PDF. This is just for demonstration purpose. It will create a PDF of the complaint that your case has been registered, or we are focusing on the part of a section, the people who are not able to file their complaint, or which are very like we can say very we can say that is very like backward community, or
Backward or
backward,
illiterate. Huh?
backward or illiterate people who are not able to file their complaint, because at the end, even if you go to the police station, you have to yourself have to write the FIR and all all these things. So we have automated this process. Now the complainant can directly print out this copy and directly submit it to the nearest police station so that they can take the action on the right time and within the time limit so that the fraudster can be caught as soon as possible. Here we have generated the unique number also, and the case details are already provided in this. This can be formatted as per the requirement of the police station or as per the requirement of the user also. Further, he can view the case details here. Here it will be received that what happened with him. He can know the nearest police station, where to go. Apart from that, what are the details? If any suspect is there, what is the suspect details? If system is able to capture, it will provide the details of the fraudster also. That even if the system captures the detail of the fraudster from the bank API, it will directly show show the information here if it's available. Further, our AI system categorizes the crime based on the conversation or based on the calls, that if it is a online fraud or either it is a which kind of fraud it is, what is the place of crime, crime category, date of incident. These are already captured from the conversation between the user and the cyber authorities. So let's back to move our base website. Further, we have used AI legal decision system, which will act as a guidance system for the user as well as the police also, because once a case is registered, it had the police department to provide the next step, what the like we can say the what is the next legal step that they have to take so that the fraudster can be caught as soon as possible. Let's as a user, I can like something happened with me, then I have to write my query. Just I have to write the query here. So let's assume a situation where something happens with me. I go to here and just put my query, and everything will be cleared out. Like what I have to do next, how to approach the problem, and what are the steps that I have to take. So I have given my query that my money has been debited from my account, and what I have to do the next. The query is getting processed in the backend. We have the personalized AI model system where we have trained our AI model from the custom data which are available to us. So yeah, if like provide the steps like what I have to do, it can guide me like what I have to do. What it also guide me the preventive measures so that next time it doesn't happen with me. It also help me guides what to do the next based on the legal legal rules and regulations in India. Further, for the demonstrate for the record purpose, we have used dashboard for the so that we can keep a track of these things, like how things are going, what things what cases are getting registered day by day, what things are getting registered day by day, and all these things we can just directly import the file here. No, actually, I need to file, but because I need a file to here. So we here we can put any sort of Excel file. It will automatically put the graphs and predict what's going, like how the trends are going. It will show the trends and all these things here. These are based on the Metasploit part of the Python. So Sandharv, let's summarize our point of view. So this was our solution for the 1930 helpline system. I myself was a personal victim of this incident. Thereby, I have know the flows of the system and tried my best to tackle those problems. Our solution purpose the time to reduce the time gap, which earlier takes much time to file a complaint. Sandhar, you can continue.
Oh, please say it once again.
Yeah, you can continue from here. Like if you want to explain,
Okay, okay.
right,
So, yeah. So basically, as stated earlier, that the proposed solutions are reducing time guide, which I told earlier that they time of 15 days would be reduced to like 10 hours or 11 hours only. And the next solution as written here, automation of case filing system. Like the user calls the cybercrime department, and those and his calls or are converted in directly into text, and that text is sorted or organized in such a manner that that it can be filled in the form of the main website, and it was formatted to the FIR format so that it could be sent to the police and other areas for more detailed investigation. The next is the call recordings and automated FIR generation, I stated. The next, bank integration for swifter actions. These things you can speak about, Priyanshu, because you know better.
Yeah,
So please
so
continue.
we have used the bank integration so that further time can be reduced, because earlier the communication happened via mail, and which do takes much time and depends on the like the, we can say, mood of the people who are sitting on the seat, whether they have to reply or not. So we have automated the process by using the API integration tools, and we are also confirming the user that it yes has been registered, because everything happens in the backend so fast that even the users got does not get anything, like everything happens in the backend so swiftly that even the user gets shocked after get very much like we can say excited, like how things are going on in the backend. So we are confirming the user as well as providing the details, like how things will be further processing in your case. Our website is based on Django framework, which is right now the most secured and most scalable model right now. We have also AI-powered legal decision system, which is trained on the custom data based on the LLM model to provide the instant guidance and provide the relevant guidelines to the police authority as well as the customers. So we hope this will be a beneficial solution to improve the efficiency and transform 19th helpline number, and it will empower our India as well, right?
Right, right. Okay, we can conclude it now and we can end the meeting.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.